Rat Bastard made it. Otherwise known as the Rat Master.
Hey everybody, welcome to our empty house tour. Me and Darren finally bought our own home. This has been like 7 years in the making and we finally own our own home. I'm also almost 9 months pregnant, as you guys can see. So this is the empty house tour. I am going to film the house when it's all finished and all set up and we have our furniture in and everything as well, but I wanted to show you guys how it's looking now so that you'll actually be able to tell the difference when we've transformed the whole home.
It's a work in progress.
It's a work in progress. Come through here. So this here is our foyer, as I like to call it, which is basically our hallway. As you can see, it's a mess. So we just got a new fire delivered because the fire that's in the kitchen, which is literally the only source of heating in the house, is broken. I've got my Guns N' Roses poster on the wall because that was a necessity. Darren put up this mirror here. I must say I like it. It's a very flattering mirror for me. It makes me look slightly tall.
Makes me look skinny as fuck.
Maybe that's why I like it. Okay, and then if you come through here, there's a window. This is our bedroom. So this is like one of the only rooms that we actually have furniture in. I know it's meant to be an empty house tour. This room, which is our bedroom, and the lounge room are like the only two rooms that actually have furniture in them. This house has 6 bedrooms, so the others are all unfurnished as of yet. So it is still kind of an empty house tour. So this is our bed. We got this from Harvey Norman and it was on sale. We got it pretty much half price, didn't we, Darren?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, lots of space.
It's actually not very fancy.
Room for activities.
I think we've done enough activities, that's how we got in there.
I built these.
These are from IKEA. This is the Pax wardrobe system with the doors, and it's actually so good. If you go online, you can design it yourself. So I went online and designed it. So we've each got basically the same thing. It's a huge mess. Everything's a huge mess, guys. It will be clean and it will be tidy at some point, just not yet. And then this is Darren's side here. Yours is so neat.
Yeah, I like to keep things quite neat.
This radiator is also broken. It doesn't turn on, so our bedroom is super cold at the minute, so we need to get that repaired as well. But come on through here. This is like our walk-in wardrobe. So it's also a work in progress. This whole area, like, so it's such a strange area. So this is our ensuite and our walk-in wardrobe. But look how strange it is. It's in like 3 different portions, which is really odd. I really want to get these walls knocked out and kind of redo this whole thing into like a shower and just a small bath and make it more practical. But at the back here, there's a huge thing.
A big bath. It actually looks small on camera, but...
Does it look small on camera? It's actually massive. And the strange thing is...
Go and sit in it.
Oh my god. Okay.
If you can get back out.
I'll squat. It's the...
That's how you could give birth in that bath.
The strange thing is, it's mirrored on all walls, but there's no light in here, and there's no window for like ventilation or anything like that. So yeah, I don't think I'm actually going to ever get around to using this bath, but it's a strange feature. Oh yeah, there's a mirror here with some built-in shelves. And you know what I actually really like? I really like this old radiator. This one also doesn't work, but it looks nice. And then here we have a dunny. So that's always handy if you get up in the middle of the night and need to pee like me. So this is our walk-in wardrobe section. So this is all like built in as well, and these mirrors that you'll find kind of all over the house, they are reclaimed, but I can't remember where the previous owners said they reclaimed them from, but I think possibly a pub, because there's like a pub sticker down there, which I think is quite cute and I want to leave that. But yeah, guys, the whole house is in such a mess because we're in the process of renovating. And if you guys have ever renovated your home before, you'll know it's almost impossible to keep stuff neat, isn't it, Darren?
I thought you were meant to paint
No, you did that.
painting mirrors, huh?
You did that. See, I've been very neat. That was you when you were painting up there, trying to blame me.
Yeah, right.
This is another pack system. So in the wardrobes out there, I designed them so that they're just hanging space. And then in here, it's just shelves and drawers. So I designed them that they each had 5 drawers, 2 shelves, and then this fancy little display thing. This is Darren's one. Darren likes to keep his stuff like really neat and clean. Me, not so much. But yeah, you can get these from IKEA too, and this little glass shelf so it looks all bougie and fancy. And it will look bougie and fancy when we finally get stuff put away.
Can I stop you there?
What?
You've done that all wrong.
What?
Guys, this is a soft close. And all you simply do...
Wow. Can you guys see how strange this like layout is? If you have any suggestions of what we could actually do for this like walk-in wardrobe / ensuite layout, please let me know in the comments because I'm kind of dumbfounded by it. We're getting the carpets laid in the bedrooms tomorrow and I'm so excited, I can't wait. So come through here, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the main guest bedroom. This room was super dark. The entire house when we bought it, guys, if you haven't seen our buying a house vlog, I'll put it up here for you guys. The house was all painted like black and really dark brown, so we've been painting it with our friends. If you look out here, there's a really nice view of the mountain. Candy Mountain. In here is the guest room's ensuite. This still needs to be painted actually. This is still quite dark. But see this mirror? I love this mirror. This is like an antique one. I don't know, someone in my family owned it. My mom shipped it over to me. So the bed is currently in here as well, because obviously we need to keep the floor clear for the carpenters tomorrow, but the bed will soon be shifted out. Look at the beautiful toilet seat. Love it.
Squishy.
Me and Darren have both been showering in this shower because we've got no shower in our ensuite, and there is a shower in the main bathroom, but it's manky. So we've been using this one. Okay, so this is the hallway to the other end of the house. There is a door to the kitchen there. We'll go in there in a sec. And then there's a door to the backyard there. As you can see, this whole end of the house needs so much work still. This is the main bathroom in here. I don't like it. I want to rip it out eventually and put in like, I don't know, just give it like that kind of country cottage feel and put like a clawfoot bath in and stuff. In here, this is the baby's room. So this is going to be, whoa, this is going to be his nursery. And this room was purple, but Darren's been painting this like every night. And this is the feature wall. It's looking a little bit kind of rough around the edges, but it will turn out good. So we're getting this room carpeted as well. And then he's got like a wardrobe that's going to go there, and his cot, and then the changing table there. And then where you're standing, I was going to put in like a little reading nook with like a puff and stuff to sit on. So if we go through here,
Dog alert.
this damn door. If we go through here, it was like into the kitchen. Hi, buddy. Quick.
Gunner, come here. Gunny.
Okay, so this is the kitchen. The kitchen is one part of the house that needs like a serious amount of work. Well, basically the previous owners didn't really like having a fitted kitchen, so they kind of just had like shelving and stuff, but that doesn't really work for us. We want like an actual kitchen with like storage and cupboards and an island and all that jazz, and a pantry and all. So this is our kitchen. It's not going to stay this way. We are hoping to get a quote from like a local kitchen maker telling us how much we're going to owe him to do the kitchen, but we'll see. So this is a great size, which is a good thing, lots of potential. We just had downlights put in because it was so dark in here before, like you literally couldn't see. You couldn't see the collies basically, you could only see like the white parts of the collies, it was that dark in here. And then this range is our only source of heating in the house. So this super old range has a back boiler and it is supposed to heat the radiators in the rest of the house, but it doesn't because it's broken. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will have seen my stories. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, you need to follow me on Instagram. My name is @_stephilalalange_. That's where I do my house updates and stuff, just on stories. It's easy. You will have seen the amount of smoke that was pouring out of here when I tried to light it the last time, so I don't like this thing. I want to get rid of it, and
We are getting rid of it.
yeah, no, that's why we bought this new stove that's going in hopefully tomorrow. Okay, and then over here we have
A
lot
mess.
of mess. Because we don't really have anywhere to store any of our stuff. Like there's no cupboards or anything in this kitchen. Everything's just kind of lying around. We bought a fridge, and look at this. It's so nice. So nice. Isn't it, Rocky? Watch your head. Watch your head.
Rocky.
Rocky.
Come here.
Rocky.
This is my favorite part. Apparently it's Rocky's favorite part of the kitchen. So, lots of booze storage.
Lots of space for beer. You can't really see, but that does have like a built-in light and it looks so cool, but it looks cool at nighttime. And then we purchased this cooker as well. So it's got 2 ovens, a grill, and like a little warming space, and then 7 hobs on top. I'm so excited. So we're gonna hopefully kind of move these around. I don't know, get it looking nice when the kitchen gets done. We do have a laundry as well, currently drying all the clothes because we live in Ireland and it rains 24/7. So there is a laundry in here, you just can't really see it. There's a window here, but I want to put in like a door to go outside to hang out the washing and stuff when it ever stops raining.
This over here, we get all of our water to the house from the rainwater. So we got, what, like 10 tanks out the back that collect rainwater. Comes in through these filters, gets filtered, and goes into the tap.
That's one of my favorite.
So that's some
features of the house.
high quality H2O.
Yeah. Then through here is the lounge room. This is one of my favorite rooms in the house.
One of this guy's favorite rooms too. You're right there, buddy.
Okay, so this is the lounge room. It's quite a long, narrow room, and I absolutely love the floorboards. These floorboards are all reclaimed. These are all the way downstairs in the house. I just love them. So through here, this is like one of the rooms that we've kind of done this room. Like we've got our lounge, we have the bar. This was like the first thing that I set up. This is my grandma's bar, and it's mirrored, and I just love it. And I can't drink any of it yet.
Soon.
Anyway, I can look at it. We have a little stove down here, and this stove, I mean, it does work, but this one has no back boiler, so this stove only heats this room. And the unfortunate thing about this stove is that it wasn't installed properly, so the back of it is all burnt out. So this will need repaired eventually, but we'll get around to that when we have money again. So then here I have my piano. And yes, I can play the piano, but I can only remember how to play one song. Then you have doors that lead to outside. We're on 1.2 acres, which was just a dream of mine because we have so many animals. So we're going to get the whole land fenced so the dogs can just run. So these doors lead to outside. We're going to eventually get decking put on around the outside because at the minute it's just like a mud pit. Then we've got the windows to outside. I love these windows because of the beams.
I expertly mounted the TV. I have to place a beam here or else the TV is going to heat up and die. And I'm in the process of hiding the cables.
So when you go out this door, it leads you back into the foyer. Okay, so if you come up here, there's a stairwell which leads to upstairs. The issue with these stairs, they were made by somebody that's clearly not a builder or a carpenter, so the stairs are dangerous. They're all different lengths, so when you're walking up them, unless you're paying serious attention, you just trip because like one step will be this high and the next step is like this. So we need to eventually, again, when we have money, get this all worked out and like a new safe set of stairs put in. And
the idea with the new stairs is we're going to rip out the stud wall because there's a skylight up here. So this stud wall is going to come out, new staircase, banisters, and it'll let loads more light down into this foyer.
Yeah, because this foyer can tend to get a little bit dark, so when the light can shine down from the sunlight, the sunroof thing, it'll be far better. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but like, see that step there, for example, is way shorter than like the other ones. Okay, so up here, there's another hallway landing type thing, which is again a huge dusty mess because renovations. But here's that skylight we were talking about, which will let loads of light downstairs into the foyer when we eventually open up this area here.
This will be the gym room once we're not broke. We'll get more mats and like fully mat the whole place out and set it up properly. Got some good windows. It already had a built-in mirror.
A mirror.
A mirror, which was handy.
Or a mirror,
So
as I would say.
There's a mirror there. But currently it's kind of just been a storage room until we get carpets in. Oh, here's a cool feature. All of these doors just lead out to death. Oh yeah, this one.
It's so windy today. Yeah, so these doors just lead out onto the
20-foot drop.
yeah.
So eventually we're gonna like build nice
Like
decks.
like a
off
balcony.
Balcony type things.
Again, when we're not broke. This room is actually such a good size, isn't it?
Yeah, it'll be good when it's done.
It'll be so good when it's done. Okay, so when you come back out here, there's a little storage room here, but it's filled with just boxes that we can't unpack yet because we have nowhere to put our stuff. Also, this floor is just plywood, like there was never any real flooring put down. So what do you guys reckon? Do you think we should get tiles put in, floorboards, or carpet? Let me know in the comments down below, because this whole hallway up here will need to have some kind of flooring done. The carpets that we're getting put in the bedrooms downstairs, we're getting the same ones put in the bedrooms upstairs. It's just like a cream plush carpet. So this this is going to be my filming room. Yes, I can't wait to get this set up. I'm so excited. So over here, I'm going to have like my filming setup with like my lights, my desk, my backgrounds and all. This is my beautiful old antique desk, That's going to be set up over here. So yeah, I'm going to have the desk there with some nice lights and stuff. And again, I have a door in my room as well that leads to death. So don't walk out there.
Our garden, like, we started getting the garden mode. Our garden runs like way up and way around the back too.
Yeah, can you guys see that tuft of grass with a tree growing out of it? That is an ancient lime kiln, which is extremely cool. There's like an entrance into it and you can go into it, but I haven't gone in there yet because I probably won't fit. Hey look, the sun came out. What? Haven't seen that in weeks.
First time ever.
This is the chimney stack from the lounge room and kitchen. It comes up through my studio and I really want to make like a cool feature out of this. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but I want to make it cool anyway. Okay, then in through here, I wish I would have shown you guys this room a couple of nights ago, because when we bought the house, this room was fully painted black. So the ceiling was black, the walls were black. Was the carpet black? No, the carpet was this carpet. So the carpet was brown because the previous owners used that room as a cinema room, and obviously black worked really well for a cinema room, but we're turning it into the second guest bedroom. So this is basically my sister Nit's bedroom when she comes to stay next month as well. So Darren and the boys have been in the process of completely painting over the black and making the bedroom white. And come in here. It is so much brighter in here. I can't believe it. This room was so dark before, guys. Like, it was shocking actually. And there was a light up here, but the light, when you switched it on, it literally didn't light anything. Like at night time, if you came up here, you wouldn't be able to see even with the light on. So Darren's friends are electricians, thank goodness. And they've installed downlights, and it's so good now. In the white room. You've honestly made such good progress in here. It's so different to what it was. And then we've got some windows there that look out onto the mountain as well, which is really nice. But obviously they've got plastic on them now because the boys were painting. And actually, I think that's the whole house, isn't it? So that is our full empty house tour, guys. I hope you like our home. So like I said, when the house is like finished, and we have the furniture in, and we've got the decorating done, and the carpets laid and all, we'll film another house tour so you guys can see what we've done to the place. Do you speak?
Why do you always do this? So, yeah, lots to do around here, but to be honest, it's been a lot of fun bringing the place up to scratch, so we'll continue, won't we? Bye!
Bye!
I hear you.